Hello, everyone. Let's discuss this week's discussion questions. So, we went over the videos and now we're going to answer these questions. It says provide examples of 3 tools used by a therapist in the video from either part 1 or 2. So, the first tool that I want to present is that the practitioner is engaged with the family and he is a collaborator. And by this, I mean that he supports the positive attributes presented by the mother and then bridges the negativeness of the father by turning to the family as a whole. And when he does this, it demonstrates that he is open to listening to everyone. And what this is co-constructing change. And it really brings in everybody's opinions and their values on the situation so that way it can be addressed and handled it together instead of separately. The second tool that I want to point out is that the practitioner uses a range of open and closed-ended questions. We know that these are really important, but I think that this practitioner does exceptionally well in this because these questions really allow for the family to express their concerns. And it eliminates any preconceived biases from the practitioner himself. So he already has the sheet and he already knows what it's about, but he's listening to the family instead of going based off the facts that he already has. And like I said, this provides the practitioner to hear and learn more about the issues at hand, while also presenting a curiosity that shows interest in what is being said within the moment. So, yes, he has these facts already, but he is wanting to hear more from the family and get in more detail. And then the last one that I want to point out, the last tool, is the practitioner reinforces parental executive subsystems by allowing both parents to speak. And therefore, this establishes a balance. So he's establishing a balance between mom and dad. And when there's an issue presented, he gets the opinions and the directions from both mom and dad and tries to come to a conclusion together. Question number 2, how effective do you believe that this therapeutic method was at helping the family to change in the video? I think that it was very effective. And that's because positive change occurs more likely when addressing the person and their environment, as well as the interaction of the person and their environment. And this is a huge representation of that, and I think that it applies greatly. What aspects of intervention do you believe facilitated the most change within the family? So I think that keeping everyone relevant and engaged within the process was huge in intervention with this family because it allowed them to not speak over each other and everyone to be heard equally. And I think that that was the main component of change within this video, is just making sure that that was present and that everybody felt included and wasn't left out.